For years, Elon Musk promised that Tesla's Robotaxi would arrive next year. Year after year, the date moved. The skepticism grew. Critics laughed. Analysts doubted. Regulators hesitated, and then something strange happened. Not a tweet, not a stage event, not a flashy keynote, and instead, quiet sightings in Texas, unmarked vehicles, no steering wheels, no mirrors, a design that looks nothing like what anyone expected. And now insiders say Elon Musk has quietly changed the Robotaxi Cybercab release date again, but this time it's different because this delay doesn't signal failure. It signals something much bigger. Part 1. The Robotaxi that was never supposed to exist. When Elon Musk first mentioned a Tesla Robotaxi, the idea sounded borderline impossible. A car with no driver that earns money for you, drives 24/7, navigates cities better than humans, and never gets tired, distracted, or drunk. Traditional automakers dismissed it. Ride-hailing companies mocked it. Regulators quietly panicked. Why? Because a true robotaxi doesn't just disrupt transportation, it destroys Uber's business model, taxi unions, car ownership as we know it, insurance structures, urban parking economics. Elon wasn't just building a car, it was threatening an entire system. Part to the promised date, that DISAPPRD. Originally, Tesla's robotaxi concept was tied to a bold claim. Once full self-driving is solved, the robotaxi is immediate. Then came the timelines. 2020-2022-2022 for each delay fueled critics. Headlines screamed, Elon Musk overpromises again. Tesla Robotaxi is vaporware. Full self-driving is a fantasy. But behind the scenes, Tesla was doing something no one noticed. They stopped talking. And when Elon goes quiet, that's usually when something real is happening. Part 3. Texas, where secrets don't stay. Texas isn't just Tesla's new headquarters, it's Elon Musk's testing ground for the future. In early sightings near Austin, vehicles with no visible pedals, no steering wheel, dark tinted glass, flat, minimalist body design, shorter wheelbase than Model 3, completely sealed front end. Observers expected something sleek and familiar. Instead, what they saw looked alien. Not a car, not a bus, not a pod. Something in between. Part 4. The strange design that nobody said I'd imagined. The Cybercab doesn't look like a Model 3, a Model Y, or any car Tesla has ever built, sources describe. It is ultra-low profile, narrow cabin, no side mirrors, no visible sensors, massive windshield that blends into the roof, flat rear section optimized for airflow, not aesthetics. Why? Because this isn't a car designed for humans, it's designed for AI first. Every curve exists for sensor visibility, camera overlap, neural net, perception, energy efficiency, high frequency, urban driving. Beauty was sacrificed. Function 1. Part 5. Why Elon changed the release date. Aja Enso. Why delay again? According to Tesla insiders, the answer is simple. The AI wasn't ready, but now it's almost too powerful. Tesla didn't just improve full self-driving, they rebuilt it from the ground up. Key changes: end-to-end neural networks, no rule-based driving logic, vision-only perception, real-world learning at massive scale, millions of edge cases fed daily into training. This isn't software updates. This is machine intelligence evolving in real time. And Tesla realized something terrifying. Releasing the Cybercab too early would be dangerous, not because it fails, but because it works too well. A car without steering wheel, pedals, driver's seat, brakes, nearly every transportation law on Earth. Regulators aren't ready. Insurance companies aren't ready. Cities aren't ready. Tesla knows this, so instead of launching globally, they're starting where they control everything. Texas. Part 7. WHY Texas is the perfect PLHE. Texas offers Tesla favorable autonomous vehicle laws, fewer regulatory roadblocks, friendly government relationships, massive road diversity, weather extremes, low population density zones for early testing. That Cybercab rollout won't be loud, it will be limited. Geo-fenced, controlled, and visible to the public at first, and by the time people realize it's working, it will already be too late to stop. Part 8. No-AX steering wheel. The point of no-AX steering wheel. The point of no-AX steering. This is the most controversial decision Tesla has ever made. Removing the steering wheel isn't aesthetic, it's philosophical. It says, humans are no longer the best drivers. Once that line is crossed, there's no going back. And Tesla crossed it. Part 9. The business model that changes EVRY to CNG. This isn't about selling cars, it's about selling rides. Tesla's plan: own the fleet, operate the network, collect ride revenue, optimize routing with AI, eliminate human labor costs. Each Cybercab could operate 20+ hours per day with near zero downtime, minimal maintenance, no wages, no breaks. One Cybercab could generate more lifetime revenue than a human Uber driver ever will. Multiply that by millions. Part 1 of WHY. This terrifies every CEO. Lyft, Waymo, traditional automakers. They're not competing with a car, they're competing with Tesla's AI training data, Tesla's vertical integration, Tesla's energy efficiency, Tesla's custom silicon, Tesla's real-world driving experience. No one else has this stack, not even close. Part 11. The real reason Elon is moving slow and Musk knows something history has taught him. If you move too fast, society pushes back. So this time he's letting the technology prove itself. Silently. No hype, no promises, no dates shouted on stage, just quiet progress. Part 12. The new expected TML and insiders now suggest limited Texas rollout, first expansion to select cities, gradual regulatory approval, full